Hey, what's up? It's coming on Christmas. They're cutting down trees, which is really good news for us because we're woodworkers and we can use those cut down trees to build cool stuff. I know it's a little ways until Christmas, but I thought I would do a video showing you guys some simple handmade gifts that are easy to make in the wood shop for kids and adults, and I would do it a ways before Christmas so you'd have plenty of time to procrastinate and then still do it at the last minute. So that's what we're gonna do. In this video, I'm gonna show you some easy gifts, how to make them. I think that's it. Let's do it.